Morning, everyone.
Get inside again.
So, Baguio is real. So, Balhinta. Pag-ahit.
It's time, Heroes. There's an earthquake.
Be safe, everyone. Ay, kuya. Ay, Eros. Eros.
Again, Heroes.
Ay.
Tawag namin takman ng gobernador niya. Kato batang Yolanda kana mo pag-asa sa Tacloban mo pindot nga. Magkuan gyud. Manang kahibaw. Karon may bawo na pud nga. Kuan gyud na.
Kusog mong lagi ko na ni. Gabi yan tatunog ko ng mga tao pa no? Nga mong
Karon pang puro sugod po.
mo lagi. Kusog-kusog na na pagid.
But when throw away was
The
the
what? The wind?
the wind throw everything.
Yeah.
The people that got
Is
strong.
it strong?
Yeah.
Langan-langan dati pag-agi na kay mga bali naman ng kahoy.
Na tubig dia as kuan kabulok dali ra ba mo saka?
Ang paminawan mga tao ng itong isig. Doon ko sa dahan mapalin hana mga motor ako. Kaya lang
Asam sa padaw nga taas ang dala.
di mo rin mamalit ang mga pagkaon pero
Nagpanik siguro.
Throw away and broke the house, the lightning.
Just the school.
ba ang kisa una
Because it's already raining.
Plastic hat.
Yeah, with the plastic. That's a Filipino thing.
Huh?
Plastic hat.
So why is he wearing it?
Because she doesn't have a hat or something to protect her head. She puts on plastic. That's a Filipino thing.
He's not Filipino.
That's a Filipino thing, a plastic.
And he covered his face.
So guys. Kasi tayo. Ng tubig. Hala. Taas ang tubig, no? Dako ang dagat, no? Dako eh. Minta na lang mo ka nanay ko. Ano? Nakagurog na. Inaog tarong pan. Kanda. Lagi?
Ano eh,
Ya, maipit niya na yung kamot la.
Ay, pagkuhan sa kanangwa. Ay, oy. Oh, nahibaw ko. Ay, ito. Nano nang hangin no dira. Naipit imong gamot. Wala kang buti.
Mama.
Hunas. Hunas na, hunas. Mangkakakit tao. Ingat lah kayo. Oh. Good morning, everyone. It's a good morning because we survived the storm. Wow, that was wild. That was my first time because during Yolanda I wasn't here in the Philippines, so it was my first time. It was wild. We didn't get to sleep much, but it's the morning. We survived. Thank you, dear Lord. Thank you so much. Papa's back. Why? Nga naman pa? Ano mo lagi nagingon ni Papa lagi nga kuan? Ikaw makakay ka motor? Unsa mo na ron? Halimpihanan. Mo lagi nagingon ni Papa lagi kahapon na mga tumbang kahoy. La. Back inside. La? Nadi, kuno kaagi kay daghay kahoy na tumba. Di na siguro sunahan, oh. La. It's November 4. Happy birthday, kuya. Ha? Sala? Basin. Muagi, baka to siya pathway. Labaw ka na ng pathway kay Magian. Happy birthday, Kuya! Kuya's birthday, but it's stormy. Kuya Siley's birthday today, and it's bad weather, but we are thankful. It's Kuya's 9th birthday today. We are at my aunt's house. We had to move here because they kept talking about it being a strong storm.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? Si Auntie Andrea, Era's cousin. And so they keep talking about it being a strong typhoon. So we had to move. They also talked about storm surge. So we had to move. We had to evacuate. So Papa's already left to check on the house to see if everything's alright. It was scary. It was scary. It sure was scary last night. Na use inside na ta. Hi. Hi, Eros. 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 Ito man naguba din ang agang.
Dong, ato na bang pin? Ito, agon ko dong. Ay.
Hala. Stay here, Eris. Come on. Eris, come here. Eris, no. My battery is low. I'm on 1%. Oh, na. Limpiyuhan na din kinabalik. Kinasabay pa sa kuan.
Kung pwede sa kama,
Mayo. Tanawa and that part natangtang. Ginabi dire tabi kay kuan pa to ni kuya, ni papa si kuya.
lumahigtan to panig.
Hmm. Dire tayos. And because I tied the cassava to this one, so nalangkat. Pero thankfully that is it. Kuan ako ka video sa laing lugar kay kanang 1% na lang ko na palubat na ko nya wa pay kuryente kay daghan kayo nang kuan na
We survived, Mom.
daghay linyang nangadaot. So we survived. Yes, thank you dear Lord. Thank you. I'm on 1% na lang sa akong battery and I don't know when our power is going to be back because a lot of power lines are down. It was rough. And we have not had good sleep. So we're gonna go inside the house. We're home. We're back. We're gonna go inside the house. And we're gonna clean up this. Good afternoon everyone. It's the 4th of November. That's after it's the 4th of November and this is the morning after the Typhoon Tino. And compared to others, this isn't much of a disaster. This isn't much of a damage, but I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. That branch broke, so we need to. Someone needs to clean that up because it's leaning on the wires. I don't know when the electricity will be back. It's probably gonna be days before we have power back. When we got inside the house, I wasn't able to film because my battery was really down, and so there were a lot of leaves. It was so dirty inside the house. Now I still have to clean up. This bamboo blinds that we had, that was an old one already, that broke. Look at this, that bamboo blind. Papa took the racal inside the house. It's a good thing because the roof where he usually parks the racal, it's up there. That roof came off. My cousin's roof above their bathroom came off too, flew. And we're back home. We evacuated. We stayed at my aunt's place. That was a wild night. It started, that wind really picked up really strong. It started at around 4 o'clock in the morning, and since then we were up. Even the kids, they were up too because they were scared. That was pretty strong. So I gotta clean up. And it's my my son's 9th birthday today, and we went to the cake shop and we bought him cake. So when he gets home, he'll be surprised. He has his own chocolate cake. Despite of this all, even though we are in the midst of cleaning up debris from the storm, we are going to celebrate his birthday today. So we're going to have a cake. At least we'll have a cake. That's what we can afford. So, but we are thankful. We thank God. Like my little one said, we survived the storm. So we are very thankful. Thank you, dear God. We survived the storm. We're still here, and we are going to be celebrating Kuya Saidi's 9th birthday today. It's the 4th. Tomorrow it's going to be my daughter's birthday, the 5th. And thank you, dear God. So I gotta clean up. Okay, that's it. We survived. Thank God. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Ma, I love
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday. Mag-thank you ka ni Lola po, ha? Okay. 9th birthday ni Kuya. Happy 9th birthday, Kuya Sally. From Lola and Lola. Woohoo.
Thank you, Lola, Lola.
And thank you, dear God. We survived the typhoon. Bilis air sana mga siya na. Okay? Love you, ya. Happy birthday. Balik na lang kurente. Ay, balik na di ay. Okay. Okay, balik na lang kurente. Got some rice. I think 2 kilos of rice, okay? And some 3-in-1. Some noodles. Beef and chicken noodles. And sardines, canned sardines, but I already ate one. Let's see. 5. 5 coffee mix. Which we got some noodles. Thank you so much. And then we also got some sardines. Sardines. And we got some rice. Thank you so much. And I have not had good sleep since last night, so I think I'm gonna take a nap here in a little bit. I still have a few things to clean up. It's not gonna be done. I'm not gonna be done today because I have a lot to clean up, but I want to clean up a little bit and then take a nap. Alright, you guys. Bye.
Ball screen of ball in Junior's defense once again. Let's see if they can capitalize on this one.